Hey everybody, this is John with Dine Drink Travel, and today I have just checked into the Linq and I'm going to do a review of a king suite room in District 2. But in doing that, I'm essentially going to be able to give you a review of a standard room as well, because I want you to notice there's the door to my suite. Notice here there's no second door. And what they've essentially done to make this king suite is they've just connected two rooms, because you can see down from me here are two standard rooms. So we're going to go in and I'm going to very quickly usher you away from the suite side. We'll come back at that in a minute. By the way, we're on the 16th floor in District 2. We're going to start with the bedroom side because this would be your normal room. Now, normally in one of their standard rooms, the doorway would be where the closet is, and the closet would be integrated here. But they flip-flopped that. There is no door here, but if you get a normal room, this would be your doorway. So this would be your view of the room. So coming in, we're going to start in here with the bathroom. It is very clean. I just checked in. A lot of nice modern fixtures. The doorway's a little cramped here. You can see like trying to get the door open. The toilet's kind of blocking the way. They do have a standing shower, which I prefer, but if you're a tub person, you need to know they don't have those for you here. Their soaps and conditioners are in dispensers along the wall. We can see that here in the bathroom. It's a clean, comfortable bathroom. It's a tight fit, but I do like that shower. Coming out, your closets, again, would be in a different location in a standard room, but you get some storage, you get a safe, and I believe in the standard room there may or may not be a fridge down there or one that you can request. Now, the rest of the room, again, 325 square feet for a standard room, but it doesn't feel cramped. So you've got very nice modern furnishings. Again, it's reasonably clean in here. Bed comforter's a little bit wrinkly. You would kind of expect it not to be that way when you check in. You have a desk and a work area. The television is adequate, not huge. I will say, my particular view, I'm in room 16104, not the best. I can't see the pool. I can't see the promenade. I can't see the sphere. But okay, that is what it is. They can't have a great view in every room. Now let's switch over to the suite side of things. So coming over to the suite side, there again we have our entryway. You do have a door, so if you're sharing the suite with other people, you can have some privacy. You also get a half bath in your suite. So this is really nice if you have guests coming over to watch a game, catch a drink, whatever, that there is a guest bathroom. I know my buddy Bill, the host of this channel, really values that. Over here we've got a wet bar with a K-cup machine, and we do have a mini fridge. Not a mini bar, you get to stock this yourself. Now, I prefer that, right? That's how I would rather roll. I'd rather go over to Walgreens, CVS, the ABC store, buy my own things, and not get overpaid. You've got a nice sitting table area, although it's got a little damage to it, so it's seen some things, as most places in Vegas have. Like I said, the room is clean, other than that damage. You've got a nice little sofa area. You could potentially have two people sleep on your couch if you're trying to save money. And ye old air conditioning unit. Now let's talk about pricing and value. As I check in, it is March the 10th. I'm going to sit down on the couch as I finish this video. Today is March the 10th. And if you were to go online, a standard room, I believe today is listing at $127. I think this suite would be $250 or so a night, plus taxes and fees and yada, yada, yada. Baller on a budget move, book early. I booked this 7 months ago. I booked a standard room, I want to say for 21 bucks. They sent me an offer a month ago asking if I would like to bid on an upgrade. I did that. So I'm getting this suite for 44 bucks a night. I'm staying on Sunday night through Wednesday night of spring break. So I'm choosing off days, but it is spring break. Even with taxes and fees, I'm just a little north of 100 bucks a night. It's a really good deal. Definitely book in advance. Not super luxurious, but if you can catch the right rates, all in all, this is a really nice deal. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and happy travels.